Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Titan Reviews, your trusted source for the latest in drones and technology. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated releases of 2024, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This compact yet powerful drone is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. With exciting leaks about its features, specifications, and performance enhancements, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to redefine what we expect from lightweight drones. In this video, we'll walk you through everything we know so far, confirmed leaks, the expected release date, and all the advanced features that could make this drone a game changer in the industry. Before we discuss the details of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, let's take a moment to appreciate how far the Mini series has come. DJI has been consistently raising the bar with every new drone in this lineup. Now, with the DJI Mini 5 Pro, DJI aims to merge portability with cutting-edge technology, making it a must-have for both casual users and seasoned filmmakers. According to the latest leaks, the Mini 5 Pro will push the boundaries of what a lightweight drone can offer, promising enhanced performance without sacrificing ease of use. The September 2024 release makes sense strategically, as it positions DJI to dominate the market right before the busy holiday season, giving enthusiasts and professionals plenty of time to get their hands on this highly anticipated drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the previous models. With this sensor, the Mini 5 Pro will capture 4K video at 60 frames per second, offering ultra-smooth footage with exceptional clarity. For creators focused on professional quality videos, the HDR support will enable you to capture a broader range of colors and more detail in both shadows and highlights. One of the standout new features rumored for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its 8 GB of internal storage. We all know the frustration of running out of memory space mid-flight or needing to constantly swap out microSD cards. With the Mini 5 Pro, you'll have the convenience of ample internal storage for longer flights and more recording time. DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to start around $799 for the base model, with packages including extra batteries and accessories going up to around $999. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse in the compact drone category. With its 1-inch camera sensor, 4K video capture, enhanced flight time, and advanced intelligent flight modes, this drone offers incredible value for both amateur enthusiasts and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with fellow drone enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments what features you're most excited about. See you in the next video.